Hey, what's up everybody? I got the Worx edger and trencher. This is from Amazon. I got it from Amazon. I'm just going to do a quick review, and I'm going to show you how to unbox it and put it together at the end. So basically, this is it when it's all put together. Has a little blade on the right side here, similar to like a lawnmower blade. This is made for putting an edge on your grass or whatever, and also says it could trench for gardening. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I bought it for edging, so I'm not going to be showing any trench stuff, but I will show you an up close of this thing. So when it's turned upside down, like I said, it has a blade similar to a lawnmower. It spins, and this is what cuts the edge on the grass. Built pretty solid. You know, it's pretty light for what it is. I had to put it together. It comes and you put these three pieces together, and then you screw these little handle nuts on, and then this is pretty much built and ready to go. You put this handle on right here by tightening this little nut, and then you just plug it into the wall, and then you're good to go. So just a little close up here. It has this handle right here. It's basically, it could go either for trenching or edging. All you gotta do is move it, and then you could adjust that. So you just push this forward and go down, or you push it forward and go up, and then that'll put this little bumper out if you're edging, or you just want to use this to trench. So that's what that does. It literally just goes up and down, and then it locks when you're not pushing it. Here's a little quick video of me doing a little edge on my grass. This is my first time using an edger, so it wasn't like the perfect straight line, but it's pretty straightforward and simple. You just kind of roll it along, and it makes an edge. Here's how it came in the box. This is the box it came in. I got a damaged package one from Amazon, so I paid a little less. But I'm going to open this up. Inside, like I mentioned before, it comes with, it comes kind of all together. You have to take all this plastic wrap and boxes off, and you have to just put this long pipe piece together. So it has this wiring that runs through the pipe. You have to undo that. It says remove this pipe before assembly. Just take like a razor and cut this plastic piping off. I tried to just keep it on there, but it makes it really difficult to put together. But once you got that off, you just put these together, and then you put these little studs through the holes that comes with it, and you just put them on. So that's how to do it. Hope this video helped you guys out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching.